Now let us get back to the congenital abnormalities which we come across or face in the multiple gestations. The most important thing is the multiple gestations are as high as 50% in monozygotic twins. This is very, very important, which we should remember. That is the reason why we are very, very worried about this chorionicity and amnionicity, because the high incidence of congenital abnormality. That's one. If you take the anomaly rates in a singleton, it is only 3 to 4%, whereas anomaly rates in the twins is almost about 5 to 10%. So this is again an important factor which should prompt us to be much more cautious when we are dealing with multiple gestations. Now, what are the structural abnormalities in the monozygotic twins? They can be categorized as lesions unique to monozygotic lesions, gestations, that is conjoined twin, acardiac twin, co-twin demise with twin embolization. Anomalies which are not unique to twinning but found with increased frequency. They are neural tube defects, hydrocephalus, and then the congenital heart disease. So that means they are also seen in singletons, but the incidence is little higher in the multiple gestations rather than the singletons. Then anomalies caused by constrictive and mechanical factors because of the lack of space, because of the compression, because of the inability for the fetus to move around. What happens is there can be possibility of congenital dislocation of hip, club foot, and in some structural abnormalities, if same structural abnormality is found in both the twins, it is called as concordant twin. So these are the things which we should remember whenever we are dealing with the anomalies.